For millennia, Earth maintained a perfect, invisible balance.
The sun's energy showers our planet daily. This light passes through a layer of natural gases, warming the land, oceans, and us. But the heat, trying to escape, is trapped. This is the natural greenhouse effect. But what if this blanket gets too thick? For 300 years, we've burned fossil fuels. Coal, oil, and gas power our world, releasing ancient carbon at an insane rate. Simultaneously, we cut down the planet's lungs. Methane, a potent gas, rises from farms and waste. The invisible blanket is now a stifling lid. The result? Global warming, the planet's fever. How is this fever changing our world?
Ice, the planet's mirror, is vanishing.
$28 trillion tons gone. 1 trillion more each year. Melting ice makes oceans expand and rise. What if your city was swallowed by the sea? Millions in coastal communities face this fate. A hotter atmosphere is a juicier, angrier one. It brings biblical droughts and catastrophic floods.
Oceans, warmer and acidic, kill their gardens.
Our food supply is a climate casino now. Wheat and rice shift. Maize and sugarcane suffer. Seasons distort. Winter shrinks, summer scorches. The evidence isn't in models. It's in our eyes.
Entire ecosystems are on the brink.
This is the domino effect of a few degrees.
But what if we could still rewrite the ending?
The solution lies where the problem began.
Energy without fire. Sun, wind, and Earth's heat. Transport without tailpipes. Clean, quiet revolution. Innovation is capturing carbon, reinventing food. Not just stopping deforestation, but mass reforestation.
A circular world where nothing is waste.
This isn't a solo mission. It's a global project. We can build cities that heal, not harm.
Every choice, from policy to your power bill, matters.
We can thin the blanket, stabilize the fever,
and we must adapt to the changes already here. The future is not a prediction. It's a choice. It's the choice between legacy and collapse. A global network of solutions is awakening. Imagine a planet healing in our lifetime. We stand at the most important crossroads. We have the power to reset the clock. The technology exists. The economics now work.
Momentum is building, but speed is everything.
This story is interactive. You hold the pen.
Demand action.
From leaders. From brands. Turn the problem into the building block.
This is about the next first steps, the next breaths. We didn't inherit Earth from our ancestors.
We borrowed it from our children.
Understand the problem. Build the solution. You are not just an audience. You are an actor. The next chapter starts now. With your next choice. Like, share, subscribe to dive deeper.